Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, I'm going to compare Brevo and HubSpot, two very powerful marketing platforms that help businesses attract customers, automate communication, and scale their campaigns. I'll go over their features, user experience, automation tools, integrations, pricing, and more. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the right fit for your business. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can actually get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link down below. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now let's get started. First off, let's get a quick overview of both platforms. Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, is an all-in-one marketing suite designed really for small and mid-sized businesses that want email, SMS, WhatsApp, CRM, automation, and engagement tools all in one convenient place. It's simple, affordable, and built really to help teams execute campaigns without complexity. Now, on the other hand, HubSpot is a full-scale CRM and marketing automation ecosystem trusted by teams that need advanced data tracking, sales and service alignment, deeper analytics, and powerful automation. HubSpot is made for companies that want every part of their customer journey connected under one roof. Now, let's talk about features. Brevo covers essential marketing needs with email marketing, SMS, WhatsApp, campaigns, landing pages, web tracking, and a built-in CRM. Also, AI content tools and customer segmentation. It offers solid automation flows for lead nurturing, abandoned carts, welcome sequences, and behavior-based triggers. Its strength, though, it lies in being simple enough for beginners while still offering those advanced tools as you grow. HubSpot, on the other hand, is built for teams that want enterprise-level capabilities. You get advanced lead scoring, smart content personalization, in-depth analytics, multi-touch attribution, website tracking across devices, and a powerful workflow builder. HubSpot's unified CRM connects your marketing, sales, and service teams, making it a complete growth platform rather than just a marketing tool. Next up, let's talk about the user experience. Brevo's interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and easy to navigate. You don't need a technical background to create campaigns or build automation sequences. Now, HubSpot also has a very polished interface, but it comes with a steep learning curve because of how much functionality it includes. Now, once you learn your way around, it becomes incredibly powerful, especially for teams that rely heavily on data and personalization. Now, let's talk about integrations. Brevo integrates perfectly with Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, Stripe, Zapier, and other major tools. It has everything that most small and mid-sized businesses need. HubSpot takes integration really to a much larger level with more than 1,000 apps in its marketplace. It works seamlessly with e-commerce platforms, CRM tools, customer service software, analytics platforms, and payment gateways. If your company uses a large and complex tech stack, HubSpot will give you more flexibility. And finally, let's compare their pricing. Brevo's pricing tiers include the starter plan at $9 per month, standard $18 per month, and the professional plan at $499 per month. Now, for their enterprise plan, you'll need to contact their sales team because there is custom pricing. HubSpot offers a free plan at, you guessed it, $0 per month. The starter plan is $9 per month per seat, and the professional plan is $800 per month. And the enterprise plan, $3,600 per month. So which one should you choose? Now, if you're a small or mid-sized business that wants affordable email, SMS, automation, and CRM tools without all the complexity, Brevo is the better option. It's a great fit for teams that want strong functionality without paying enterprise prices. But if you need deep analytics, complex automation, advanced personalization, and a full CRM ecosystem that supports sales and service teams as well, HubSpot is a great choice. It's built for companies that want to scale aggressively and rely on data to drive decisions. Now, look, if you want to get started with Brevo, make sure to use that link below. You'll get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months. And also, you will unlock a full Brevo course that teaches you how to use the platform step by step. All right, that wraps up this comparison. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.